Hi, this is a quick tutorial on how to use TCX to Excel converter. And you can see on my computer I have a TCX file. It's basically the main part of TCX file is 3 GPS data columns. It's latitude, longitude, and altitude. And I'm going to convert this, however, I'm going to convert this entire file to Excel, and I will do it with converter. I will download from this website. I will leave link on the site into description. To find application, I will click on search here on the site. Let me close this. Oops, let's reload. Click on search and type TCX to Excel. XLS, yeah, because we are converting to old Excel format. TCX to XLS. Click on here and click on download. I'll be recording more videos on TCX converters to different formats, not only Excel, but different GPS formats as well, and different converters for GPS. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you'd like to see more application like this and more converters like this, please like this video. So you can see archive has been downloaded, and click to open it, click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next, install, click on yes, and click on finish and final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this. And double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we have to select TSX file. So I'll click on this button, navigate, go to my documents and find this my file Coastal TCX, click on open, click on next step. Here on this step I can select which columns I would like to convert to Excel. So basically there are like a lot of columns and I don't need all of them. What I need latitude, longitude and altitude, and that's it. There is a activity notes, author, and all thing. I can convert them as well, but in my file they're just empty, so there is no point of converting them. So I need all these 3 basics. I'll click on next and click on run on final step. Now it's asking me for file name and location. This file name and location is okay. I can change it if I want to. I just click save. And you can see application file has been saved. Let's go and open it. I don't have Excel on this computer, and Excel is not required for conversion. However, I have Excel mobile, which is like free version of Excel. I cannot change in here anything, but I can see data in it. So you can see all 3 columns has been successfully converted: latitude, longitude, and track altitude. And I have all my sets of coordinates in here. So yeah, basically that's it. We converted our TCX files, data from TCX files into Excel XLS format. So if you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this and more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and please like this video. Thank you.